If your website size has exceeded more than 100 GB of disk space, then in that case, how to resolve this issue? The main cause of this increased website size is mostly due to error log size or any other junk or temp file, heavy zip file, tar.gz files, backup files, etc., which gets created due to some mistakes of website developer. Also, sometimes high-frequency cron jobs are responsible for it. Now, in order to resolve this, go to your cPanel account and then go to CpCleaner. Now from here, click over Start New Scan. Now this will find a lot of junk files, temp files, error log files which has become high size. You can simply click over Clean Files. Click over OK to confirm it. In this way, all your junk, temp and other useless data like zip, compressed archive will be deleted. If you have still not subscribed our channel, subscribe it. In case if you cannot find CpCleaner in your cPanel, you can switch to our hosting, that is Red Server Host. We provide this feature free of cost to all of our hosting users.